Hello everyone, welcome back to our video series on trigonometry. In this session, we will see some of the applications of trigonometry. So we will be doing some word problems in trigonometry. So let's see, read this question number 31. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from a top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. So one thing we may note, there is a vertical pole. So let's draw that. Let's say this is that vertical pole. Since it is vertical, I will say this is 90 degrees. Then it says to find the height of this pole. So let us call that as h, height of that pole. If the angle made by the rope, there is a rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole. This is the top of the vertical pole. From here, it is tied to the ground. And it says, find the height of the pole, okay? And the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30. That means this is given as 30 degrees. And then the rope, this is basically the rope. This line is basically the rope. And this is given as 20 meters. So this is given as 20 meters. Okay. So what is that we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find the height. See, we are supposed to find opposite to this 30 degrees, and what is available is hypotenuse. So I can hypotenuse divided by, opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but sine. So I will have to find out what is sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees, we know it is opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite here? It is the height of the pole. And what is hypotenuse? It is 20 meters. What is sine 30 degrees? From the, what do you call it? From the table, the previously whatever table we made, we can easily identify what is sine 30 degrees. It will be 1 by 2. So that means we have height by cross multiplication. Height is equal to 20 by 2. So that becomes 10 meters. Hope it's clear. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 32. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. So they say a tree will be vertical. Let me draw this. And then what they say is this is being broken, this tree is broken, and what happened is it bends like this. So probably the tree may be further taller, that is getting broken, and it bends and touches the ground. So this becomes 90 degrees. So that the top of the tree touches the ground. So this earlier, this particular bended line was actually on the top and it got bent down, and that is making an angle of 30 degrees with this. Means this is 30 degrees. The distance between the foot of the tree, that is from here to the point, that is this, to the touching to the ground is 8 meters. So this is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. So we are supposed to find what is the height of the tree. Here height, so if I consider this for this angle opposite is this, what is supposed to be found is the height of the tree. So this is what we are supposed to find. For that angle, this height is nothing but the adjacent side. That means we are supposed to find what is opposite by adjacent. I can write opposite divided by adjacent. You know, opposite by adjacent is nothing but tan, and here it is given as tan 30 degrees. What is tan 30 degrees? Again, we will refer our previous table, whatever we made. From that, we can easily find out what is the value of tan 30 degrees, which is 1 by root 3. And what is opposite here? It is 8 meters. Adjacent, we don't know. We will keep it as h. That means by cross multiplication, we will have h is equal to 8 times root 3 meters. That's all about this particular problem. Let's proceed to the next one. Question number 33. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. When they talk about slides, slide will be like this. One slide they talk about for children. So let me say this is for children, which is having children below age of 5 years. This is children less than 5 years. This is the slide what they have made. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters. So the height is known to be 1.5 meters. Means this one. This one is known to be 1.5 meters and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. This is 30 degrees. Right? Then, whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meters. So let me draw one more. Height is more. This is for elder children. Okay, this they say it is 3 meters height, and it is creating an angle of 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. What should be the length for each of the slide in each case? Means the length of, means they are asking about this hypotenuse to be found. Both the hypotenuse to be found. So for this angle, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So we will say opposite by hypotenuse for the first one. Since opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but sine, we will write sine 30 degrees. So what is sine 30 degrees? Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. And what is opposite here? Opposite is 1.5. Hypotenuse we are supposed to find. So by cross multiplication, we will have from this, we will have hypotenuse is equal to 1.5 into 2. That means this becomes 3 meters. For this, it is opposite is 3 meters. Hypotenuse is same hypotenuse. And that is nothing but sine 60. So what is sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. Again, by cross multiplication, we will have hypotenuse is equal to 3 into 2 divided by root 3. So that will work out to 2 root 3 meters. Right? So this is the length of the slide. There is nothing but length. This is also length. So that's about this problem, you found both the lengths of the slides. So in this, we had seen how do we use trigonometry in some of the word problems. That is what is about this video session. We'll continue with some more word problems in our subsequent video sessions. Till then, see you all. In case if you find the contents to be useful to you, I would request you to share with your friends and also subscribe to my channel so that you get regular updates of my videos. Thank you all.